So, very welcome to this session.
Yes.
Yeah, you can
You're
start.
Per Gullander.
Yeah, and you are Gunilla Sivard.
Yes, Gunilla, and not Pernilla.
Yeah, yes,
Yes.
it was Pernilla on the other
So,
side.
yeah, welcome to this session, and we're going to talk about AI and data-driven applications. And I think most of you maybe are already fed up with AI is everywhere, it's going to take over the world, ChatGPT. But still, what we're going to talk about here is what's really happening in industry. And in industry, we have a lot of data, we have clean, clear goals, and we know what we're doing, right? So we're going to use AI in an industrial way. So here we will have 3 presentations, as you see here, with solutions from different domains for predictive maintenance and quality monitoring in machining, and then energy management. But before we go into these interesting presentations, we're going to talk about what we're doing in this the digital cluster group.
Yeah.
So,
Very briefly. So,
please, Per.
okay, so we won't take too much time from this, but behind this, this session and also the session yesterday, there is this digital manufacturing cluster. And we have quite a vast working area, like the system itself, the manufacturing system, the work processes developing the systems in a life cycle perspective, the tools that could be improved, the capability of that, and the data. So that's quite a vast area to grasp. But by dividing it like this, we managed. And in the cluster, we have manufacturing companies, we have solution providers, the consulting companies, university and institutes and other. So it's quite a large group that have meetings regularly to really discuss new ideas, challenges, and plan for our work forward. And so a colleague, Magnus Widfeldt, is also coordinating this work, and we have Alf Andersson, who is the chair of the cluster, supported by Wim. And then we have, for the different research area, identified people that could really help us to really drive the different areas forward. Martin Hochwaldner is here, yeah. And Gunilla, you just met. Darja is maybe here, yeah. Torbjörn Danielsson is not here, but virtual manufacturing is hopefully represented by Alice later in this session. And Welf Löwe is in the conference, but perhaps not in this. Yeah, he's up there, yeah. So we have lunch seminars every month, pulse meetings in the small group, lunch seminars which are open, where we discuss ideas and also kind of lay out the ground for workshop, which we have like 4 times a year. In the workshops, we really plan to really work towards real project ideas that could really be funded for future work. And as you have understood, there are 8 clusters. So our digital manufacturing cluster is one of the supporting clusters. And then we have 4 clusters that are more process specific for different processes. So it's very much of an interaction and support from the digital manufacturing to the other clusters to really work towards the circularity. That is the overall aim. But sometimes the distance from the digital manufacturing work in detail to the circularity aims on the whole could be very difficult to grasp.